Updating your credit card information on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the Profile or Menu section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this to access your current payment details. Step 4. Update your credit card. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new credit card details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on Paramount Plus.